Hola amigos, David el Profe here, and I'm really excited to welcome you to the next step in this training program for teachers. So let's get started with the welcome video for Welcome to Milestone 2, the startup phase. This is where things really start to get fun. At this point, you should have a pretty good idea of how the Let's Start Talking program works and why it works. Now, we're going to start working on getting your first paying students and launching your first class. So in this video, I'm just going to give you a high-level introduction to everything you need to know to start teaching with the Let's Start Talking conversational English program. So we're going to specifically talk about how to attract students, how to use the student evaluation and placement test, how to set your pricing, how to take payments from your students, and some general policies that are going to set you up for success, ensuring that it's a good experience for both you and your students. We'll talk about some class logistics, things like where to teach, when to teach, and most importantly, launching your first class. Let's keep this simple, effective, and low cost. The number one mistake new teachers make is overcomplicating this step or waiting too long to start. You don't need to spend a whole lot of money on a website, a fancy logo, or paid advertising right now. Instead, we're going to focus on three high impact strategies that are essentially free and they work really well. The first one is to create a free Google business profile so that local students can find you online. We'll talk about using Facebook to get students and how to create flyers and post them around town to spread the word really quickly by putting them up in places that your students are already going to. I'll show you what to say, where to post, and how to build trust in your community, even if you're just starting out. Here's the key. To set your mindset up the right way, you have to really understand something super important. You're not asking people to take a class. You're offering a solution to a real problem that your students are facing, which is being able to speak English at work and out in the community. You are going to change people's lives, and people will pay for that when they get real results, especially in the speed that this program delivers. So in the next few lessons, I'll walk you step by step through setting up your free online profiles, finding where your students are and posting flyers, how to talk to prospective students, where and when to teach, and preparing to teach your first class with the Let's Start Talking program. You don't have to be an expert, you just need to follow the system and take action one step at a time. Let's do this. Go ahead and click forward to see the next video.